Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add subscribe button on your YouTube video. Let's start with the video. First open the browser and type YouTube. Click on YouTube. And then click on this icon. Click on YouTube Studio. The dashboard of your YouTube channel will be open. On the left side you will see the different option. So click on customization. Here click on profile option. Once you have selected profile option, you will see different option like banner change profile. So you have to scroll down until you see the video watermark. So you have to upload your video watermark. You can see on the right an image that is 150 by 150 pixel. And next thing you are going to do is simply go to the browser, type YouTube subscribe button 150 by 150, press enter, click on images, and from here you will be able to download any one of these images. So for example I will select this one, click on this image and then right click on this image, click on save image, select the folder from here, click on save. Now you can see it has downloaded successfully. After you have saved the image, then go back to your YouTube channel and then from here click on upload. From here select the image, click on this image and then click on open. From here you can edit your image. After that click on done. After that you will see three different options on the right side. Now you can decide whether you want it to be displayed at the end of the video, custom start time or entire video. So I normally select the entire video. After you have done, then click on publish to save the changes. Now you can see it has changed successfully. So guys, in this video we saw how to add subscribe button on your YouTube video. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.